In the hygiene products industry, efficiency and operational reliability are key factors in ensuring continuous and competitive production. Over the years, pneumatic systems have been the standard for adhesive application. However, new demands for productivity, stability, and reduced maintenance have driven the search for more advanced solutions. This is the context in which vmGenesis was developed, an electric technology developed by Valco Melton to meet the specific needs of the nonwoven industry. vmGenesis eliminates the reliance on compressed air and does away with dynamic seals, resulting in greater durability, significantly reduced maintenance, and consistent pattern stability over time. The first step in this technological evolution was the introduction of the vmGenesis spray applicator, a versatile solution designed to generate multiple patterns using different nozzles, precisely adapting to the requirements of each application. With this technology, manufacturers have been able to improve process repeatability, reduce maintenance interventions, and optimize the operational stability of their lines. But today, the vmGenesis platform continues to evolve. The addition of the new snuff-back modules marks a new milestone in the development of electric technology. Thanks to these modules, vmGenesis expands its capabilities to include high-speed intermittent slot applications, enabling clean and precise adhesive cutting even in the most demanding processes. This innovation allows for the integration of two complementary solutions within a single technological platform: spray and slot. vmGenesis technology drives a new way of applying adhesive, more reliable, more efficient, and ready to meet the current challenges of the industry. vmGenesis, electric dispensing applicators for the nonwoven industry.